welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be a simple casual wear collections, very budget friendly sarees, everything below 700, 750. That's going to be the maximum range today what we are going to see. So simple casual wear sarees, some chandedis and some Bhagalpuri sarees we have in today's video, but very different and beautiful designs. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And without faith, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's dive into this video now. It's a beautiful Bhagalpuri sari. It's more of a mixed cotton variety. It's the flow of the material will be it's more like a cotton. The material will be like this, slightly a stiffer material, but it will be very beautiful when you drape it. A very beautiful design running throughout the body of the sari. On the corners we have beautiful contrast borders, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this in beige contrast, and the price of this sari is 670. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful copper sulphate blue, a very beautiful combination, very lovely design with jute style borders, but it's all completely digital printed ones. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 670. This is a beautiful orange color Bhagalpuri sari, a very lovely design, beautiful small printed design with shibori prints running along the body, very pretty one. This is the pallu of the sari. You have tassels in the corners, you could see the tassels. I'll show you. You have beautiful tassels, and the blouse of the sari is this contrast, and the price of the sari is 670. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful black and grey color combination, a very lovely combination, beautiful sari. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 670. We have some lovely combos in this. I'll show you the other colors. The next is a very beautiful red and maroon. The sari's flow is very nice, very beautiful sari, beautiful office wears. And this is the pallu of the sari. Whoever likes slightly stiff materials but don't want starch, it's all more like a mixed cotton varieties. This is the blouse. The next in the lot is a lovely yellow, beautiful yellow, very beautiful color. Yellow and orange in the shibori pattern, in that a very small minute designs. This is the pallu of the sari, and all the sari have contrast blouses. The next is a very lovely combination, beautiful blue, indigo blue and copper sulphate blue mix in the shibori pattern. So this is the body of the sari. Price of the sari is 670. And the last combo in the same pattern, a beautiful green, light green, leaf green with dark green combination. So this is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 670. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful zigzag pattern design. What a lovely design, very beautiful one, yellow and orange combination. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is in contrast beige color. Price of the sari is 670. We have one more beautiful combo in this. It's a very lovely blue and green. So this is the body, a very beautiful blue and green combo, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, beautiful shades, and the price of the sari is 670. It's a beautiful zigzag pattern design in the Bhagalpuri pattern, Bhagalpuri sari. Both the sides are contrast border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful zigzag design running along the body of the sari. Looks really pretty and class. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a contrast blouse, and the price of this sari is 670. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful light green and dark green combination in the zigzag pattern. Very beautiful design, and this is the pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this in contrast. Looks really class, very beautiful combination. The next combo is orange and maroon. Beautiful shade. This is a lovely orange and maroon. It's class. The next is going to be blue. A beautiful indigo and copper sulfate blue. These zigzag patterns will look really different when you wear. Looks really very rich look. It will look like a very costly sari, but these saris are going to be absolutely budget friendly. And the next in the pattern is a very lovely black and grey combination. Beautiful sari, and the price of this sari is 670. In the same patterns, a beautiful yellow and orange mix. The diagonal patterns, the zigzag pattern looks really class. Very different the sari looks. When you wear it, you will have a real tussar silk material look. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 670. In the Bhagalpuri silk, it's a beautiful grey color pattern with a box pattern design in the body. On the borders, it's a batik pattern design. On the body, it's a beautiful box pattern design. Looks really class. And the drape for these saris will be so awesome. This is the pallu of the sari. நல்ல பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக அப்படியே நம்ம எப்படி ப்ளீட் பண்ணுறோமோ அதே மாதிரி நிற்கும். ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். புடப்பாவும் இருக்காது, ரொம்ப துவழவும் துவழாது. ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். And blouse வந்து இந்த சாரிக்கு, this is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 740. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful pink, lovely design. So it's really class. So this is the body of the sari. Very beautiful pattern. The flow for these saris will be so awesome. Best alternative for cotton saris, and the price of this sari is 740. The next is going to be a beautiful green, lovely green. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த sareesலாம். Flow அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும். Starch எதுவுமே தேவையில்லை. Just wash and wear. Machine wash மட்டும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். Normal wash. And in the same pattern, it's a beautiful mustard. Very lovely design in the Bhagalpuri pattern. Beautiful sari, and the price of this sari is 740. It's a beautiful cotton mix sari, more like a chanderi material. It's a semi chanderi, but the material will be really nice. Both the sides we have a small zari borders, and throughout the body it's a beautiful zigzag pattern design. And the pallu of the sari is this, and we have a beautiful blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari in contrast, and the price of this sari is 560. In the same pattern, we have some lovely combination. This is a beautiful rust with grey color border, rust and light orange mix body. Very beautiful color combo in the chanderi. The next is going to be maroon and pink. A beautiful maroon and pink. Very lovely combo. Beautiful sari, and the price of this sari is 560. In the same chanderi, this is a different design. A beautiful abstract design. Very pretty one. More like this kind of prints you will get in indigo prints. In the chanderi material, both the sides we have contrast borders. So this is the body of the sari, and this is the blouse of the sari. Contrast blouse, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 560. The flow will be really soft and nice, and we have some two more combinations in this. The next is a beautiful black with black, white and grey mix. This is the body of the sari. Very lovely combo. And the next combo in the same design is going to be indigo color in the chanderi. It's a mixed chanderi, it's not pure chanderi. Very beautiful, of white and blue color combination, and the price of this sari is 560. In the same chanderi pattern, it's a beautiful maze pattern design, actually to say. A very beautiful design in green. On the corners we have a lovely small zigzag pattern border with golden zari borders also. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is in contrast. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 560. The next combo in the same pattern is going to be maroon. A beautiful maroon. Very lovely combo. Beautiful pattern. Very nice saree. Simple office wear sarees or just casual wear. Without starch, you can easily use these sarees. And the next is a rust color combination. Very pretty design. Lovely combo. Beautiful saree again. And the price of this saree is 560. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections of these simple casual wear sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.